front of me is Hammerblade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and tap on Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete. I will go with this one and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit the delete button next to the edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!